Hello, I'm Cream. Welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, I'd love for you to subscribe or at least give me a thumbs up for my video. That really helps my channel to grow, and I really do appreciate it so much. On my channel, you're going to see gardening, DIYs, decorating, cleaning, all the above, and of course the farm animals. We always have them. We have the miniature horse, the chickens, the quail, the barn kitties. You'll see all them here, and if you like all that, please subscribe because you'll see plenty of it. Today I'm going to share my hydrangeas, how you know when to cut them to dry, and I'm also going to give you a little garden update and also our bathroom. I added some excuse me, we had to do a update to our bathroom, so I went ahead and we got I thrifted some items that were English cottage items and added them to it, and I think it turned out really cute. But here I'm doing me and Buddy, the kitty there, are picking the hydrangeas, and I'm showing you they're green, and then they feel like paper and sound like paper, and that's when you know that they're ready to come in and dry. You can either stand them in a vase of water or all by themselves and they'll dry, or you can hang them upside down by a bunch, in a darker, cooler place, and they'll dry just fine. They'll be wonderful. But I got a whole basket of them there, and Buddy was helping me. He really likes to do all that with me. I love all the farm animals. They're my babies. But here is our garden too. I'll go ahead and just put some music on for you so you can look at that. And here is our bathroom. We replaced the flooring, and I added some accents I got a couple things, the towel holders from Amazon, but I think everything else is thrifted. I got the candle, except for the candles that are lighting up. Them are from Lamplust. I love them candles. They are the best. They're on Amazon. I will provide a link here too. And I'll put the towel holder link here too. But everything else I thrifted. This basket was thrifted. I think that mirror came from Hobby Lobby that I've had for a while, and I just hung it in there. And this is my 25-cent oil painting that I got at a flea market from an old man that was selling some stuff, and he just wanted to get rid of it. You can bet I was so excited. My husband couldn't believe that I dug through the boxes to find it, but I did, and then the old man was so sweet that he gave it to me for $0.25, and that was a wonderful, wonderful blessing. And then this is the rest of the bathroom. I put some eucalyptus stems in the urn that was thrifted, and yeah, and then there are some candle holders, and then the candles. Don't they look so real? I just love how they look. Definitely worth getting these ones. They are the best ones I've ever had. I almost, if I don't know it, I would forget that they weren't real. And you'll have to excuse my voice. I'm sorry, my allergies are terrible. But yeah, I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. If it was seeing the garden, or seeing how to dry the hydrangeas, or the little bathroom refresh. Let me know in the comments what your favorite was. Otherwise, I'm going to put some music on and let you enjoy the last bit of this. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful week.